Once you have decided to begin a small business, the first thing that should be on your mind is acquisition of funds. Generally, the sources for any entrepreneur to look forward to are banks, financial institutions, private bankers and angel investors. Choosing one of them depends upon your situational requirements. Until recently, banks have been the major sources for the purpose of funding. Though the arrival of private banks has reduced their importance, the government banks are still the safer option in case your business is in doldrums. Expect more subsidies to run your business successfully without relying on others. There are financial institutions set up abiding by the guidelines framed by the government. You can expect bulk of the funds for your firm through any of such institutions. Repaying them the amount you receive is easily possible due to the flexibility they provide. Seek more funds once your business starts growing. Dealing with private bankers requires a lot of maturity. There are situations wherein you might have to face a raw deal. However, they offer a huge relief by funding your firm in times of emergency. Also, there are lesser formalities required to complete and the process of financing is very simple and quick. You can get maximum advantages by choosing an angel investor. Your small business requires funding in smaller quantities and on time. Because of the downturn, the larger firms have become almost inaccessible for angel investors. Small businesses can now get many advantages including safer funding options. For more information visit our website.